Google has just released a new Nest doorbell. It is the battery version. This is basically a follow-up to their initial doorbell that was first released in 2018. That costs $299 and is still in the product lineup. But this new battery doorbell is $249. Now, is this doorbell able to stand up to other competitions like the Ring 4, Allo Wire Free, the Unified G3? Come along and let's find out. Hello, it's Ty from DIY Space, and in this video we'll be doing a product unboxing, installation, and a review of the all-new Google's Nest battery doorbell. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and unbox the Nest doorbell. So it has like a saran wrap all over it. Just going to cut that open nice and gently. Open. There we go. It's quite nice. It's the pearl white, well, snow white actually. Let's put that away, bring that over, and there is the Nest battery doorbell. Put that aside as well, and then we'll see what else is in the box. So right there, just the instruction manual. And then we have a Type-C USB cable. It's like I think it's like a safety key, so that way you need this key to be able to get it out. So that way someone can steal your doorbell. And then of course the mounting accessories, anchors, the backing plate, it would seem. So you can have it, use this to install it at an angle. So for those of you that have it on the side, also you can use it for an angle, or you can use it for the flat, straight mount. So there we go. Just taking a look at the Nest doorbell, I can kind of see that it's quite feels very premium grade, feels very nice and aesthetic. Definitely a very large button that it's pretty clear, and you can't miss it. You can't miss that's the button. It kind of almost blends with the entire thing though, so it's easy for you to kind of figure out, okay, is this where I'm gonna press? No, but yeah, it's kind of nice. All right, that's the if you're gonna go with the wired option. So that's where you connect the wiring for your doorbell, and then that's the cabling as well to charge your doorbell. We're gonna just like that, and then you charge it. So for the initial setup, you need to make sure that we plug in the Nest doorbell into power first. Then now we can kind of see. Now we're gonna go over to the Nest app, and then we're gonna add it up as a new Nest device. So we're gonna click the add device, set up a new device. We're gonna say new, then so we're gonna select we're looking for a doorbell. So it's a Nest doorbell battery, only this time. So we're gonna scan the QR code that's right behind it. There we go. Then we'll continue. Next. I'll just say yes. So now we're gonna connect it to the Wi-Fi. Now you can select where you want it to go. Just call it deck for now. Now it's gonna go ahead and install software updates. We'll return when it's all done. Select that as battery for now. the Nest doorbell slides into the backing plate and locks in place. You can only use the security key to get the doorbell out of the plate so you can charge it. It prevents people from stealing your doorbell. Next, we're going to mount the doorbell to the wall using a drill and a Phillips or Torx screw. Now we've gone ahead and installed the doorbell and added it to our Google Nest app. On first impression, this Nest doorbell looks beautiful. It follows the same aesthetic design as the original Nest doorbell, which was one of the reasons why I got the Nest doorbell in the first place. Initially, I got the ring. I started out with the ring doorbell, but the squarish or rectangular shape of that wasn't very visually appealing to the front of my house. But Google has done it in the same fashion as the original one. It looks quite beautiful, looks aesthetic in the snow white color that I got. Now, setting it up was actually very easy. I put it in there and then I opened up the Nest app, added, and it all popped up right away, and installation process was straightforward. The new Nest doorbell comes in 4 different color choices: ivy, linen, snow, or ash. It is also equipped with 2-way audio, high definition video with a 3:4 aspect ratio, as well as a 145-degree field of vision, which gives you plenty of room to view your front porch. The Nest doorbell is equipped with on-device smart alert processing, capable of processing people, person, vehicle, packages, and even facial identification. However, you need the Nest Aware subscription, which costs about $8 Canadian monthly for the facial identification. While the Nest Aware subscription gives you access to 60 days of event-based recording, not subscribing to the subscription gives you access to 3 hours of event-based recording. You notice I said event-based recording. That's right. The Nest battery doorbell doesn't support 24-hour or 24/7 continuous recording, unlike the wired version. So that's just one thing you're gonna have to live with this doorbell. Although the Nest doorbell comes with lots of great features, it does have a couple of downsides. First being the lack of memory card slot. It would have been awesome if Google Nest had incorporated a memory card slot, giving you and I the option of local video storage. That would have been great. Secondly, the price point. I think this Nest doorbell is a little bit too high for the features it's offering. It would be awesome or great if Google Nest could lower the price point so that it's much more competitive and comparable to other doorbells in the market that are offering very similar features. Thirdly, the operating temperature range kind of has me a little bit worried, especially since I live in Canada, where we see temperatures as low as -40 degrees for days in a row. This temperature, the Nest doorbell operates between 40 degrees Celsius and -20 degrees Celsius. So we'll have to see how that impacts the battery life as well as the actual device itself. For those of you that are in the Apple ecosystem or use HomeKit, you're out of luck on this doorbell because it doesn't support HomeKit. But on the bright side, Matter is coming out next year. So Matter is basically it's a new protocol in which big companies like Google, Amazon, Apple have all agreed to use that protocol to design all of their smart home devices. What that means for us, the end users, is now we can go through any of the products we prefer and they will still all be able to work with each other. In conclusion, should you get this doorbell? I think this doorbell is great for somebody who is already within the Google Nest ecosystem. This would be a great addition, especially if you're looking to install it in a location where you don't have pre-existing wiring. Like for me, my back door, I've been looking for a solution for a while now because I don't have pre-existing wiring and I would hate to have to run wiring to that location. This Google Nest doorbell is a very good option for me in that location. However, if you're not tied to the Google Nest ecosystem, there are lots of other better and great options out there that will give you more bang for your buck. Thank you so much for joining me today on this review, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Peace.